The SENIX CSX6-M Chainsaw offers a powerful battery-powered alternative with a 60-volt battery and a 16-inch organ bar, making it highly effective for pruning and trimming tasks. With an impressive chain speed of 85 feet per second, this chainsaw stands out in its class, delivering exceptional performance for continuous cutting operations. The tool-free tensioning and automatic oiling features ensure effortless maintenance and precision control, optimizing energy efficiency with its eco mode. Equipped with a high-intensity brushless motor, the SENIX chainsaw extends runtime by 30% compared to conventional models, thanks to its intelligent 60-volt 4-ampere-hour battery. This pro-grade cordless chainsaw kit includes a battery and charger, eliminating the hassle of cords and fumes, and is backed by a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year limited warranty for the battery and charger. Designed by YAT, the SENIX CSX6-M is a top choice for those seeking reliable and eco-friendly garden tools, offering both power and convenience for outdoor tasks.